it's Melody and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see from today's title, I will be doing a review on Filter by Molly Mae. And if you guys know me, or actually I don't think many people know this, but I've been completely obsessed with Molly Mae like ever since I started watching Love Island. She's in season 5, so one of my friends, Judy, shout out, told me to watch this while we were in quarantine. And it's like 50 episodes like per season, and so I was like hooked and I had nothing else to do, so I was just watching all of Love Island. But pretty much after I saw her on that show, I became like obsessed. Just like her and who she is and like the brands that she works for is just like totally me. Like she works with Pretty Little Thing, and I literally only shop Pretty Little Thing pretty much. Okay, not only, but a lot of my wardrobe is from them. But she's also really successful like as an influencer and like as a YouTuber. So Judy was like telling me that she reminds me of her. She reminds her of me. One of the two, but yeah. So I was like super invested into like what she comes out with. But then I saw she created a tanning product and I knew I had to try it when it came out. Recently they just had a restock, so I knew I had to get my hands on it and try a review. But I see from her photos and like the photos that are posted on their Instagram, and the girls all look like really good and their tan is like perfect, so I thought I would try it out and show you guys. I actually haven't seen a YouTube video on like Filter by Molly Mae on an Asian girl, so I thought I would try that and see like the color that would come out on, I guess, if you have similar skin tone as me. And I don't usually use tanning tanning products, but since we're like quarantined and I haven't really been outside, I thought I wanted like a little color. So I thought I'd try it out. And this is what it looks like. I actually had to wait because Extra Dark, I think, is one of their popular colors, and it was like always out, so I had to wait for the restock. I'm already pretty tan, like in general, I think, so that's why I wanted to get Extra Dark, just so like it would work on my skin tone and it would like make that color. So enough rambling about my obsession with Molly Mae, and let's get started with this review. So I got Extra Dark, and this is the packaging. It's actually really cute packaging, and it came in a box and everything, but I already threw it away, so I can't show you guys. And if you open it, it looks like this, and it's like a pump. It's really cool actually. And then I also got a mitt, a hand mitt, and it came in this really pretty like packaging where you can put it back in to keep your mitt in good condition. Mine's already really dark here because I used it, but this is what it usually looks like. It's a really pretty pink color. So when I first did it, I didn't really know like what to expect and like what color it should be. Let's just actually show you guys what I look like before, and we'll start from there. Okay, before I show you guys my before, I'm going to show you guys what the cartridge looks like. This is what it comes in. It's super pretty and like so chic, you know exactly what it is. And when you take it out of the canister, this is what it looks like with a little pump. It's so cute too. Like I love the colors for this. Also, it already has the instructions built in the back of this packaging, so that's really nice too. I also purchased this large velvet mitt. It comes in this really pretty matte packaging, and it's supposed to help keep your mitt in good condition when you store it away. And when you take it out, it's this really pretty like pale pink color that it's so cute, and it'll get ruined later when you put the tan on. But I love that it has the Filter by Molly Mae like at the bottom of your wrist. Okay, now I'm going to show you my before. So I am still pretty tan, I think, and this is just my natural color. And I just wanted a little more some. So you're going to shake it up before you pump it. And then you just pump it onto your mitt. It kind of looks like poop. But yeah, I just pumped like 2 or 3 pumps, and you rub it all over your body. Make sure you rub it in really well because it does tend to be a little streaky, so you want to rub it all over so that you can't see any streaks. And look at Kilo here wondering what I'm doing. Okay, bye. So rub it all over your body and make sure that it's rubbed evenly. Okay, don't mind my crazy hair right here, but it's been a few hours since I put the tan on, and I don't know if you can tell because all my blinds are closed right now. Oh my god, I literally look crazy. Okay, but it's pretty good. Okay, you literally cannot even tell, I think. It is tanner than I was earlier. I do want to say I feel like it's a little more orange than I was expecting, but also I wasn't really expecting, or I don't know what I was expecting. But yeah, I just wanted to come in and say, but I do look tanner, so I'm gonna shower soon. I let it, just instead I'm letting it marinate, but I was gonna do another layer, but then also I didn't really feel like I needed a layer because I didn't want to look like super dark. I think this is a good color. Okay, I'm gonna go shower. Bye. Okay, I actually came into our room and this actually, well actually I look really orange in this lighting. I did take some before and after photos of like just my legs, so I'll show you guys that now. So this is what my legs look like. You can obviously see that my right side is darker than my left. This lighting wasn't the best, so you can't really tell, but it definitely looked darker in person. Okay, you guys, super fail because when I took a shower, I don't know what I was thinking because I was not supposed to do this, but I took a shower without letting it sit for like 4 to 10 hours. I think I let it sit 4 hours, but it was definitely not enough time because right when I got into the shower, like literally everything just like came off of my body and my tub was like all brown and it was like really gross, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I can't believe this happened because I should have known better. Like, I've done one tanning thing similar to this filter by Molly Mae, but it didn't do that when I showered. So another heads up on that. You should probably wait. I'm gonna reapply it like right now. My hair is dried because I wanted to wash my hair today and I forgot to just shower like before I applied this stuff, but whatever, it's too late now. Good learning experience. I even like did my own nails. They look kind of ratch, but this is the best I could do. Haven't had my nails done in so long. So yeah, I'm gonna go reapply this, wait a little bit before I get into bed. I feel like the tan is still on my legs, but like on my stomach it's not. Maybe if I show you guys, you can't even tell because this lighting is like not good. But if you see my stomach, it's literally gone. Total fail, so I'm gonna go do it again now. Okay, so it's the next morning after my failed shower thing, and it actually looks pretty good. I put on a bikini so that I can see, the same one that I wore yesterday, so that I can see how it looked, and I feel like in the camera it looks kind of orange, but in person it doesn't look that orange. But I'm like debating if I want to take a shower right now, just like rinse it off, because I'm going to Malibu later today and I'm scared if I put on sunscreen it's just gonna like come right off. So I feel like I want to shower now, and then if it comes off, it comes off, but it won't be streaky like later when I put sunscreen on. And it's been over 12 hours that I've left this on. I think I'm gonna just rinse it off a little, not using soap, just like getting water off, and if it comes off, at least, yeah, it won't come off with the sunscreen. I took a video for you guys. This is what it looks like in the shower when you rinse off, and this is after 12 hours. So don't be scared. It's totally fine if it rinse off. This is a good thing. What it looks like now, I think it's still on. It's just the outer layer rinsed off. Still looks pretty good. Definitely rinse it off before you go outside so you don't cause any streaks or make like the pool or wherever you're going like dirty. So when I first started applying it, I felt like it was kind of hard to spread evenly, and in order to spread evenly I had to rub it really quickly and like all around. You can't just rub one area because it'll become streaky. I actually have used another tanning product. I forget which one it is, but that's the only other one I've used, like just in case like stuff like this happens when I haven't been in the sun and I want that extra glow on vacation. But that one actually, like, I didn't feel like I had to use so much product. For this one, I had to keep on pumping every so often and rub it all around But with the other one, I could do like one pump and like it'll spread evenly like on my whole arm. So that's the other thing that I was kind of disappointed about. I had to use so much product to pump onto the mitt. Besides that, after everything was fine, like I let it sit for a long time. Sorry, forgot to mention that they also have like a mini velvet one in case you want to put it on your face. But obviously I didn't want to do that because who knows how it'll turn out. Probably not the best because I've seen girls make reviews on this and they put it on their face and it just did not look good, no offense. I think I'm pretty like dark already, so I chose to stay away from my face just because I don't want any like other products on it. After I showered, even though some product came off, I was still tan. So that's a good thing that I'm actually really happy about because honestly I thought that it was just all gonna come off because that's what happened the first time. Like I was pale the first time again, like after I took it off. The only thing was when you first apply it, it does look a little orange. But after I showered the second time and I went to Malibu and everything, I didn't look as orange as before. And I'll enter a few photos of me at the beach with the tan, and this is with like no filters or anything on the photo. So yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. I'm like happy with it because it's just something quick if you want like a really quick color on you. And today's the second day of putting the application on, and I'm still pretty tan, I think. My legs are pretty tan. If you want to see, this is what my color looks like. I'll enter a few photos before or after this again, just so you guys can see my color before and my color after. Like, look at this difference. It's so much better being tan. So all in all, I think it's a pretty good self-tanner. It's really quick, it's easy to use. The only cons I would say is that it may turn you a little orange and it's hard to apply. So really beware of how you're spreading it and watch out for streaks because those are the worst. Oh, I forgot to mention how much this is. I actually don't remember how much of it this was. I'll enter in the screen here. It's from the UK, so it does take, I think it took maybe like a week actually for it to ship to me. Oh no, a little over a week, so it wasn't too bad. I am glad that I got this because I really wanted to just try it out, and especially coming from Molly Mae, I thought that would be a pretty good product. I am happy with it overall, but there are some cons to it. Okay, I guess that is it for my Filter by Molly Mae review. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys learned some things about her product. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys are enjoying my videos, and I will see you in my next one.